Hi guys, it's Jaredelle, and in this video, I will be watching Ateez Fireworks I'm the One official music video. This has been requested and recommended to me so many times, so here I am finally watching it. This video came out in March 2021, and it has over 41 million views. Okay, million views. That's insane. I am loving Ateez so much. I am a baby A-teenie for sure, but I'm loving my journey. And before I get started, if you could give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you like my reaction videos, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like. And without further ado, let's watch Ateez Fireworks I'm the One. I brought something to drink. I'm ready. I am ready. Am I ready? I don't know. I'm never ready for Ateez because they always blow it out of the waters. Like, they're just amazing. I'm excited. Fireworks. Here we go. Okay. Oh, their transition. Okay, wait. Can we comment on the hair, the crop top, the... Wow, Ateez, like, seriously, every video, like, you have to see the beauty behind their whole thing. Not only their music have so many layers, but the visual, like, they all have so many layers. And then just the clothing, the outfits, the whole concept of every single one of their videos is like watching a movie. Like, there's a whole package. Anyway, I had to comment, like, the hair, the outfits. Yes, I'm trying to figure out who's who, but I'm so new. Oh, he's beautiful. This is my first time hearing the song. He's growing on me. Gray hair. Like sneaking up on me. But it's so hard because they're just all, I love them all. Okay. Oh. He just knows. He's captive. Him. He is so, I can't even figure out what's going on. Like, every single one of them sucked me in. I need to start watching their dance practices. I mean, hello, he's got like a freaking 12-pack. So good. I can feel it. The build-up. You guys feel that? It's coming. Yes. They're dancing. Oh. I wonder how hot it was to like film that with all those fireworks going on and stuff. And how scary, like how loud. Oh man, Ateez. Oh wait. There's more. What's happening? What is happening? Wait. What just happened? What just happened? This video, I know a lot of you guys wanted me to watch this. I loved it. Actually, I really liked it. That I have to go back because you know me, I can't. When I watched it the first time, I cannot figure out, like, I'm so captivated with other factors in the videos, and there's so much going on, and I feel like Ateez is one of those groups that always leave little hints at things. And there's like, you know how you watch a movie and then later on you'll see like, oh, there was a hint about this and that. And that's how I feel about Ateez. Like, all their videos have a storyline. There's a purpose. Everything is calculated. So like, there are geniuses that I have to go back. Like, I just, oh, hi. This is why I have to watch it twice. And I mean, I don't just watch it twice. I'm gonna expose myself that after the fact, after I film these reaction videos, I actually go back and watch. Because, hello. This is a good song. I like would love to know one of their choreographies, but like, I'm not active, so I'd probably die. You know what I'm saying? But oh, how fun are they? You know what I like about these guys? They treat you like your family from the get. Like, oh, I've seen some of their videos and I'm just like, they don't know my existence, but I know theirs. And just like the vibe they give out, like, oh, Ateez, like, let's hang out. Such good music, such great people. Like, this is like, that was amazing. That's just amazing. Like, I hope you guys enjoyed this first reaction of mine. I'm blown away. Like, literally, like, is there something that they've ever done that's bad? I don't think that's even possible with these guys. They are so, they're perfection. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I adore them so much. And man, I wish one day I could meet them, because I want to tell them how much of an impact they create, or not an impact that they have, not create, but that they have on people, and how much they make people feel through their music. Oh, so good. So good. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.